Hey, how you doing? Austin here. I am not a financial advisor. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Guys, I apologize for not having my video of me where you can see my face, my lovely face. I'm kidding, of course, in the upper right-hand corner. Guys, the camera on the laptop that I'm using to record videos while I'm still on vacation, the camera just quit. So you're not getting to see me, but it is me, as you can tell by my voice. But I'm here bringing you videos regardless. I will be back home tomorrow night, Thursday night, and we'll be continuing back normal on Friday. So just FYI, that's where we're at right now. And I wanted to kind of give you guys a state of the union because Dogecoin is crushing it right now. Look at the overall market. Bitcoin's up 16%, Ethereum's up 14%, Binance 29%, and our beloved Doge right here is up 37+%. And that's interesting. I clicked into it. There it is. Okay. All right. It was weird. It was like delayed or something. See, it's like 15 and then it resets. Come on. Where is it at? It has to re-hit it. It's up 37%. Come on. This is what happened. There it is. Wow, that's weird. Okay. Anyway, so we're up 37+%. I think we've even hit as high as 24.71 right here. So we're right there at our 24-hour high. I mean, we're just right there. So we're crushing it. We're moving back up in the positive range. And, this is one of those things, guys, where I'm really excited about what I'm seeing. Look at this. Look at Doge is absolutely broken out, and we've got a major breakout happening right here, kind of to take us back to, kind of the levels that we're all used to, right? And I would remind you that this breakout and this movement up, guys, is a market. Oh, there you go. We're up 38.18. So we're just continuing to rise. All I got to do is go on video. You know how that is, guys. For those of you guys who follow me, I'm kidding. And I apologize for the sniffles, guys. My microphone is fantastic, and it's picking up every sniffle I've got. The allergies have been killing me here in Colorado, so every now and then you're going to hear me sniffle. I apologize for that up front. Overall, though, I am really, really excited about what I'm seeing here with Doge, guys, is that it continues to move back up. And if you look at kind of the overall market moving up, before we do that, let's look real quickly. Our 24-hour range is 16 to 24. Again, that's a 37 and change move back up, but the overall market is absolutely starting to come back. Bitcoin's rallying back up to 34,000. I'm going to remind you that Bitcoin touched 28,000. Okay, Ethereum bounced down into, I want to say around the high 1700s, maybe 1800 range was the low there. And there was major opportunities to pick up additional positions in some of these cryptos in the last 4 or 5 days. There really was, because it's one of those things where I think the overall market was in a kind of a downward trend. There were people saying that it was crashing and all this kind of stuff. Well, I never really believed that. I knew that we were at kind of a little minor correction. And if we look at the overall shorting position, let's look at, guys. Let's look at the overall shorts position for Bitcoin. In the last 90 days, look, Bitcoin has picked up a 2.3 additional long positions, but this is the biggie right here. The short selling positions have basically gone away, guys. We are down a tremendous amount. We hit a high of 25,000 short selling positions right here back around June 16th in that area, and then just continued to plummet off. And Bitcoin, I believe, firmly has continued to rally back up a little bit from that. Now, we had a little bit of a sell-off where Bitcoin, again, reached down to 28,000. And that was directly related to the news coming out of China, where they're continuing to ban crypto mining and things like that, and just really cracking down on crypto mining operations, which I think will continue to do that. I will remind you that hey, China doesn't want crypto because it's it's decentralized. It's hard they can't control it and all those kind of things. Okay, but here's the thing. Overall, I really like what I'm seeing, and really this is happening because the overall crypto market is moving up. I talk about this all the time in my videos, guys. Remember, Dogecoin is really tacked. TACKED, tacked, is really tacked to Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's attached to them, and from the context of where those two major coins go, the rest usually follow, right? And so that's what I'm seeing here for sure. Because here's the thing, there's not any really major new catalysts from a news standpoint out there, where from the overall news, right? We need to get our catalysts coming into play. We need to get some movement out of Elon, potentially bringing Dogecoin on as a payment for Tesla, things like that. Maybe Mark Cuban, things like that. Our usual kind of champions, if you will. We've got to get them kind of talking in the right direction. Now, one thing that will happen here, guys, is as Bitcoin and Ethereum and Doge continue to rise, guess what? We will start to see news stories come out that says, oh, Dogecoin is going up, it's a great investment, and Bitcoin is going up, it's a great investment. And and that's how the news cycle works, right? And the news cycle, I'm going to remind you that the news, they want to cover, because they want they want people to click on their article and read their article, because if I go over to CNET, they're selling advertising on their website, right? And so thus they are going to want to cover Dogecoin and Bitcoin and Ethereum and these major cryptocurrencies and continue, because they want to drive traffic to their website. But right now they're a little bit lagging, and so as the crypto market's kind of coming back, we're up 15.81% right here, guys. We're still at 1.37 trillion. We got to get back to the 1.6 and beyond that. But Bitcoin's looking good, and I like what I'm seeing here. And this overall chart action's looking good. And by the way, each of these candlesticks represents 1 hour's worth of trading, okay? And so we'll continue to watch that. And I think that what we'll see is continued positive movement. I think we've got a really nice day today. I want to be a little bit of voice of reason here, only in the context that I think that we could continue to see some ups and downs in the remainder of June, and maybe even into July, right? June historically has not been a great trading month, even in the stock market and things like that. But if you look at over here on the right where it says last 7 days, see these charts over here? Every single chart looks the same. Look, we had a major dip, and then we kind of bounced back up. Again, Binance, same thing, major dip, bounce back up, major dip, bounce back up. Dogecoin, major dip, bouncing back up. XRP bouncing back up, things of that nature. See, almost the exact same thing is happening in almost all of these chart actions. Look right here. Look at Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Solana, Chainlink. They all look exactly the same. That's kind of one thing I love about crypto. When everything's kind of up and doing well, it all is, right? But right now, Dogecoin is the standout leader. It's crushing it. It's really doing really, really well. I'm really happy to be bringing you guys this news. Okay, so I think that we've got some good movement ahead of us, and I think that we will continue to go up. I think that things will continue to go our way, and I'm real happy with what I'm seeing here, guys. I'm seeing that we are the standout over every other crypto right now. But Dogecoin took a pretty big hit, and so we needed to make up some room, right? We needed to make up some trading volume, and some positive movement to get the coin moving back in the right direction. And I think we're starting to really see that. And we've got some nice movement on our trading view chart. And I'm real happy with what I'm seeing overall. But I want to remind you that there could be additional buying opportunities in the future. There could be additional situations come out where we got June, kind of as I mentioned, June not being the best month for overall trading volume. And I think that as long as we can continue to see things head our way, we should be fine, right? But here's what I would also tell you is that there's not a lot of new news, right? And so when we get some catalyst going, I think we will see some even better positive movement up for Doge. And I think we just got some major. I think we got some good stuff ahead of us, right? I really do. I'm a huge fan of Doge. I'm gonna continue to buy. Actually, at these levels, it's still a deal, and continue to add to my position. All right, guys. So I will see you later, and I'm really ready to be back at home and get back in the main swing of things and start doing some live videos for you guys, and things like that. All right, see you later, guys. Take it easy. Bye.